The Khet, Bachao Abhiyan is a vital movement that mirrors the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for a self-reliant agriculture sector. And it is my privilege to champion the mission here in Goa under the guidance of our government and the Chief Minister. As we combine our state's rich traditional farming wisdom with the modern scientific techniques, I am immensely proud to lead these efforts right here in our Madkai constituency, where our farmers are already setting a shining benchmark for a soil, health and productivity. By choosing to embrace natural green manures and balanced fertilizer use, you are not just protecting the land that feeds your families, you are securing a more profitable, prosperous future for your Kuradars, ensuring that Goan agriculture remains the pride of our state for generations to come. Under the leadership of the Prime Minister and our government, I am proud to say that we are almost farming rice cultivation around 2 kilometer by 2 kilometer fields. And I am also proud when we remove these ODs, especially it is called as earth, very good earth, which can be utilized for kulagars, which can be utilized for the grounds, public grounds. And we have done it in Madkai. This shows that our Prime Minister is taking more interest in building these agriculture fields and giving to the common people like farmers. It is also proud to say that ICAR, Old Goa, this particularly follows the agriculture sector in Goa. They guide each and every farmer in a systematic manner where the people goes personally to the fields, to the kuradars and take a very brief observations and do the whatever requirements to the farmers and help them to get a better production. Thank you.